Why not? First of all, say why not? Why? What is your objection?
Well, if he's pure, everything about him is pure.
He is pure. He is pure, always pure. Suppose you are very nice girl, nice, and because you pass some urine or stool, does it mean that you are bad? Does it mean? Then the urine may be bad, the stool may be bad, but because you passed urine or stool, you are not bad. Is it clear? Krishna has got this external energy, that does not make Krishna bad. Try to understand it. If somebody asks, oh, you are so nice, girl, nice, why you are passing stool and urine? Is that any argument? I am just speaking on the argument side. Is that any good argument? That because you are very good, you shall not pass stool and urine? Or because you are very good, therefore your urine and stool also be very good? Is that any argument? So similarly, if Krishna has created this external energy, that is for his satisfaction, that's all. But why should you take? If we are confident about Krishna's goodness, why should we bother about Krishna's stool and urine? Why not directly Krishna? Let Krishna pass any amount of stool and urine. We have nothing to do with that. So let there be external energy. You have nothing to do with that. You cannot say, oh, Krishna is all good, therefore his urine and stool. I'm just try to understand. His urine is also good. That's a different thing. I mean to say, if this is an argument that because Krishna is good, he should not pass urine and stool, there is no argument. It is not external energy is not affecting Krishna. The urine and stool is affecting, there are some worms, they are very much attracted with the stool. You see? They are also creatures of Krishna. Similarly, this material nature, external energy of Krishna is Krishna's. There is undoubtedly it is Krishna's. But that one class of living entities, they are attracted by it. You see? We should not be attracted. That should be avoided, because we are not going to be worms on the stool. Krishna, if he cannot, there are many arguments. If you ask question, why the government has created this criminal department? Is that valid question? The jail department is criminal department, prison, where citizens are put into jail and given trouble. If the prisoner says, why the American government has created this prison department, is that valid question? The American government may create prison departments that why you are interested there. Why you are going there. The real position is because you are criminal, therefore government has to create such department.